little review, not a review, but what is it called? Just an overview, something super quick and simple. With Factor and Fresh and Lean. So Fresh and Lean, it's a little bit more work and more tedious. After After putting this in the microwave, you do need to kind of like cut the outer edges in order to actually access the food because they vacuum sealed it. Factor makes it simple. You just slide it up and it's easy. So Factor's definitely a winner in my opinion overall. And the food tastes better in Factor. Also, it's just more presentable. Like it just looks more part of a part, looks more professional, more put together. They're about the same price. So more work. Food's not as good. Same price for Fresh and Lean. And overall, it just doesn't look as clean as Factor. So Factor's definitely the way to go. And yeah, that's just all I wanted to do and compare in this video. Something super simple. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll leave both the websites down below. And yeah, if you work a lot or you don't feel like cooking, meal prepping or anything like that, this is definitely the way to go. It's kind of expensive, but it is worth it if you don't have time to cook or so and so. These are definitely the ways to go if you like I said, don't have time to cook. But Factor is the winner. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And I will catch you on the next one. So, peace.
Like and subscribe, 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 like and subscribe.